Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a cozy neck warmer collar. I live in a cold climate and my neck always feels the cold. I find scarves too bulky most of the time, so I usually crochet these collars. And you can wear them with sweaters or jackets, and they're just very easy to button on. They add that cozy feeling around the neck without adding too much bulk. And here's one of my jackets without the collar added and with the collar. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To make this collar, scarf, or cowl, whatever you want to call it, I usually just call it a collar, you're going to make a long rectangle that's just like a small scarf. So you'll start with a foundation chain that you can wrap around your neck. And then when it's finished, you'll just fold it over like this and sew a button on one side. And I just chose a button that would fit through one of the spaces of the stitches. And then you can button it around the neck and keep your neck nice and toasty warm. And I'm working with a chunky yarn and a 9mm crochet hook. You could work with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn. And I'm going to start with a foundation chain. And then you're just going to work the foundation chain in an odd number. So 31 or 33 or 39, like that. And when your foundation chain is the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet. Double crochet in the next stitch. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2. Single crochet in the next. Double crochet in the next. Single crochet in the next. And you're going to work all the way across the row. Ending with a double crochet in the last stitch. Now all the remaining rows will be worked exactly the same. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that first stitch, which is the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet, double crochet in the next stitch. And we're working the pebble stitch, and the pebble stitch is a single crochet in the double crochet of the previous row and a double crochet in the single crochet of the previous row. So we're just going to continue across the row. That's a double, so I'm making a single. And you'll keep repeating this row over and over until you have the collar as wide as you would like it to be. So keep repeating that row over and over. And I worked a total of 12 rows. And then you can fasten off. And when I fold my collar, I use the foundation row as the top of the collar because it's a little more rigid than the last row that was worked. So the foundation row is going to be the bottom of my collar. And if you choose a button that will fit through the stitches, you can just pass that through one of the stitches and button your collar. And that's how easy it is to crochet this neck warmer collar. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.